For the past 20 years, Bretford has helped thousands of organizations manage millions of Apple devices. Built from the ground up, our store and charge solutions are optimized for Mac and iOS devices. Our Mobility series delivers AC charging for Mac and iOS devices and is optimized for seamless integration with Apple Power adapters. The design provides ease and organization for the power adapter and its cords. With up to 9 smart charging zones, power is always focused on the devices that need it most. The PureCharge series provides USB charging for iOS devices and includes pre-installed lightning cables. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. And since it doesn't need additional power adapters or cables, you can keep your own cables for other uses. Our PowerSync series lives up to its name, delivering optimized power plus syncing over USB to simultaneously charge and update all of your devices. With pre-installed lightning cables, it's ready right out of the box. There's no setup required. The PowerSync Plus is our groundbreaking app-enabled series. Building on the functionality of PowerSync, the companion PowerSync Plus app gives you a window into your cart or station from anywhere at any time. Remotely check charging and Apple configurator status. Check up on individual devices, see time remaining, and even receive an alert when your configurator workflow is complete. After hours, if any device is removed, the app can alert you. Our newest breakthrough innovation is the Mix Module system, a fully removable modular power system that enables any combination of mobility, PureCharge, and PowerSync functionality. Only Mix can provide the option to configure charging for MacBook and syncing for iPad all in the same cart. And it's upgradable. So as technology evolves, there's no need to buy a new cart. Simply swap out your Mix module for one that supports the latest devices. That makes it future-proof and budget-proof too. It's a powerful mix. All of our store and charge solutions are fully UL certified for safety. And all our carts are certified for the devices they support to ensure they meet Apple specifications so you can deploy with confidence. Available exclusively in PowerSync Plus and Mix, full-time, full-rate charging maintains the maximum charge rate up to 2.4 amps, even while connected to a Mac, ensuring devices are synced, updated, and fully charged in the fastest time possible. It's power everywhere and all the time. And with the Apple configurator integration, you can always tell which devices are ready to go, so you can automate workflows without connecting to a separate monitor. Mobility, PureCharge, PowerSync, PowerSync Plus, and Mix.